loud with a voice full of clarity.
If your brand feels like a mismatch of half-finished ideas, then you're not alone. Today's Spark? It's all about how to find your brand's spine and finally make it click. Welcome back to Morning Cup of Brand Spark. Today is Saturday, June 7th, and I'm Gina Dunn, founder and brand strategist of OG Solutions. Today's Spark is for anyone who's ever felt like their brand is just a little confused. So let's spark it up. So let's be real and honest today. Brand confusion isn't just an aesthetic problem. It's an energy leak. It's that feeling when you're writing a post and you're not sure if it even sounds like you. Or that feeling when someone asks you what you do and you find yourself rambling. Or defaulting to safe buzzwords or things you've heard other people say. Even though you know you're so much more than that. I've been there. And it's not just you. It's common because building a brand and building a business, it's messy as hell at times. And we're taught to focus on the visuals, the marketing hacks, the endless social media posts, all of the advice out there. It's messy. We're taught so many things that don't make sense. But underneath all of it, if your brand doesn't have a spine, a clear backbone of what you stand for and what your offer is, it will always feel scattered. And here's what I mean by a brand spine. It's that invisible thread that ties everything together. Your words, your visuals, your vibe, your core. When you don't have it, you're basically duct taping everything together, random ideas, and hoping that they'll feel like a brand because of some polish you put on it. And the spoiler here is that they won't. Let's pull an example from the real world. You might remember this. In 2009, Tropicana did a huge, massive rebrand. They actually spent $35 million on new packaging and new visuals. And you know what? It bombed. Their sales dropped by 20% in just 2 months. And do you know why that is? It's because they changed the look, but not the story. They took away the emotional connection, like the real backbone that people had with the old brand. They took that away, and they leave us with a lesson. Brand confusion isn't about how it looks. It's about how it feels. And people can feel when something is disconnected. Here's the spark for today. Your brand can't be clearer for others if it's not clear for you first. So if your brand feels confused, start here. First, get honest about what you stand for. And then find your spine, the single idea that ties everything together. And then and only then build everything else around that spine and what you stand for. So here's your spark check. Spark 1. If you had to rewrite your brand spine in one sentence, what would that sentence be? And spark 2. What are you overcomplicating, or where are you overcomplicating things instead of actually simplifying your story and focusing it? And spark 3. What's one messy, real thing that you're ready to own in your brand? So that's your spark for today. Brand confusion isn't about needing another photo shoot or another logo. Sometimes it's about finding your brand's backbone and letting everything else flow directly from there. And if you're stuck and need help finding that spine, let's talk. DM me on LinkedIn or drop a comment in this episode. I'd love to help you make sure your brand doesn't just look good, it feels like you. I'll catch you tomorrow.
Got the colors, got the vibe looking sweet, but no one's clicking your link, no butts and seats. You're tweaking that logo like it's gonna save grace, but your message ain't sticking and you're losing your space. Your brain ain't broken, you just need strategy. Stop the scroll, drop the fluff on your a voice full of clarity.